For several years, cybersecurity professionals from across KnowBe4 have participated in the Great American Teach-In, a U.S. educational initiative. Founded in 1990 and celebrated each November during American Education Week, the Teach-In, also known as Educator for a Day, invites community members to share their career insights and educational content in K-12 classrooms. For KnowBe4, this event aligns with our commitment to education and cybersecurity awareness. Let's hear from some of the incredible individuals who participated in this past year's event. What was the most rewarding part of participating in the Great American Teach-In? Let's hear from Asita Drake, the Senior Vice President of Security and Compliance e-Learning.
For me, the most rewarding part is sharing the knowledge we have with the younger generation.
Here's Dylan Williams, one of our program managers.
My most rewarding part was getting back into the classroom and interacting with the students and talking to them about cybersecurity and getting real-life perspective from secondary students.
This is Kayla Cadwell, the Courseware Services Director.
One of my most rewarding experiences was when a teacher approached me after one of the sessions and said that one of the students that I was engaged in typically is not really excited about any of the lessons. And to see that student get really excited about cybersecurity was really cool.
And here is Terry Dill, one of our managed services supervisors.
I think the most rewarding part was that some of these kids actually really enjoyed it.
What cybersecurity tips did you offer these students? This is our Director of University and Career Education, Ben Sin.
The focus, since I was working with high school students, was on passwords. And the main lesson with passwords is length is strength.
The number one tip that I shared with them is identifying or getting that sense of when something is weird, right? A little bit uneasy. Why would somebody ask you a question like that? Or why would somebody want to know this information about you?
What advice do you have for future participants of the Great American Teach-In?
Have a plan and allow time for discussion because the kids do have questions, and to basically present it as, discussion where you're talking back and forth and not just talking at them.
If I was giving someone advice about participating next year, wear comfortable shoes because you're going to be on your feet and be ready for all kinds of questions and just be excited about the experience. It's so fun to kind of share what we do day in and day out with the next generation of people.
I loved it before and after I presented that people came up and connected with me. There were many who felt comfortable to just come over and say, I want to know more about this. I see how I could be affected by cybersecurity, but I don't know what to do. How can I learn more? How can I do better in keeping myself and my family safe?
Would you like to learn more? KnowBe4 offers educational resources geared towards students depending on their age. The Children's Interactive Cybersecurity Kit provides a free, fun, and engaging set of activities for families and students in grades K through 8 that teach vital online safety skills. Meanwhile, our Student Edition offers comprehensive cybersecurity training on password security and campus-specific threats for older students, equipping them to navigate their digital world confidently. And for those of you wondering how to make a difference in your community, please volunteer to participate in this year's Great American Teach-In at your local schools and share your expertise with the next generation.